There's a lot of events all over South Africa, and often you go to a place or a race, and everything is so competitive. So there's something really special about doing something like this. Not just for the charity and the schools and everything that they do to be involved, but it's so much more informal and casual and relaxing. So I think there's a lot of scope for events like this, and Flux really did an amazing job to put this together.
Sien dit vir die eerste keer, Lia, ek kan nie meer onthou dit, gevoel het nie, die paaie bly nat in die winter, en jou mosse ons was tieners, ons kon glo, en die dinge daarbo. Maar tyd verander en ons raak nie jonger nie. Ek kan nie eens meer by jou nie. Ons laaste avondstrome versprei soos waterstrome op die gras, op die gras. Lia, sit dit vas, soos dit was, soos dit was. Dan sal ons kan Lia. Maar jy's nou net diep en op 'n servet wat ek alweer iewers moes vergeet het. Oorspronklikheid nes afgeleide selfverwyd het ek myself hieruit uit hierdie storie uitgeskryf. Tyd verander en ons raak nie jonger nie. Ek kan nie eens meer by jou nie. Ons laaste avondstrome versprei soos waterstrome op die gras, op die gras.
As we speak, we just finished the third day of the Cycle Flux Cup, and what an awesome way to finish it here in Vereinsdorp. It was an unbelievable 3 days. The camaraderie, the friendship, the networking, but most of all the fun that we have, the ride that we have. It's just amazing with all the planning that you have for the past year. Just come down to a Saturday afternoon in Vereinsdorp. Just an unbelievable experience to finish on such high.